Hi guys, today I'm gonna share you about the 9 amazing facts that history never told us about Mahabharata Duryodhana. Duryodhana is seen as a villain in Mahabharata. He was jealous of the Pandavas and tried every means to destroy them. While he has been coated with a darker shade of grey, here are a few facts that never knew about Duryodhana. And these are the points which I've taken from the Ajaya book written by the author Anand Neelakantan. First fact, Duryodhana challenged the societal inequalities that existed then. He always worried why was mankind divided based on caste and why certain privileges were denied to them. He wanted to bring about reforms and create a country where all his people would be equal and happy. Second fact, Duryodhana was cornered in the Gurukul when he raised sensible questions about power and talent. Their teacher Drona is an orthodox Brahman, used to complain about him to Godfather Bhishma. Third fact, Duryodhana was annoyed with the way talented people were because they belonged to the lower rungs of society. He felt bad when Drona refused to teach the hunter Ekalavya, who expressed interest in to learn archery. Fourth fact, when Drona asked his students what they saw on that distant tree, Arjuna was highly appreciated by him for his witty answer. Arjuna told that he saw his target, but Duryodhana transcended the normal limits of human perception and saw love. He didn't like the way one pigeon was killed. Fifth fact, due to his compassion towards the downtrodden, Duryodhana was silently liked by Godfather Bhishma. Duryodhana respected Bhishma and always obliged him. Sixth fact, he was also liked by Yadava leader Balarama, who even taught him how to handle Gada, mace. It gave him an edge over the Pandava prince Bhima during their fight that took place during their crowning ceremony as princes, where they had to exhibit their valor. Seventh fact, due to like-mindedness in ideology, Duryodhana and Kripa shared friendship, but Kripa was hated by Drona and other Brahmans in the Hastinapur kingdom as he too challenged the caste system. Eighth fact, during their crowning ceremony, Karna, who belonged to a lower caste, was insulted by the Brahmans, but to reward Karna for his talent, he made him the king of Anga. Last but not the least, 10th fact, there are devotees who revere and idealize Duryodhana. The biggest Duryodhana temple in Uttaranchal is located in Jhakol in the Tans Valley. That's it for today. Next time I'll come up with another amazing fact. This is your Spandan signing off. Bye bye. Jai Hind.